Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate document collaboration with Google Workspace step by step clearly. Start by signing in to your Google Workspace account. Open Google Drive from the main dashboard. Click on the plus new button located on the left side. Select Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides, depending on your document type. Create your document as needed, adding content and formatting. Once your document is ready, click on the Share button in the upper right corner. In the sharing settings, enter the email addresses of your collaborators. Set the permissions for each collaborator to viewer, commenter, or editor, based on their role. Add a message if you'd like, and then click Send. To organize your workflow, consider setting up a shared folder in Google Drive. Click on plus new again and select Folder. Name your folder appropriately for the project. Open the folder and use the Upload option to add existing documents if necessary. For real-time collaboration, encourage your team to use comments. Highlight text within the document and click on the comment icon. Type your feedback or questions and click Comment to share. Participants can reply to comments to keep the conversation going. Notify others by tagging them in comments using it followed by their email. Use the version history feature to track changes made to the document. Click on File, then Version History, and select See Version History. Review changes, and if needed, revert to previous versions. Integrate Google Meet for live discussions by clicking on the Meet icon in the top right corner. Schedule meetings directly from Google Calendar to discuss progress. Consider using Google Tasks or Google Keep to manage actionable items identified during collaboration. Regularly check notification settings to stay updated on document changes. Utilize add-ons from the Google Workspace Marketplace to enhance functionality. Encourage team members to share feedback on the collaboration process for improvement. By following these steps, you can effectively automate and streamline document collaboration within Google Workspace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.